Alright guys, got another unboxing from APMEX. Let's see what we got here. Got an airtight. Are you ready for this? This is a 2018 gold Queen's Beast. It's a 1/4 ounce. This is actually, right now, I think this is the biggest single piece of gold that I've ever bought. So it looks really, really nice. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Wow. Anyway, airtights for that, obviously. Then I got these. Usually go for the cheapest bullion when I get bullion, but I don't know. These are high relief buffaloes, and they, at least online, look great. The tape they use on these is awful. Shoved a piece of foam in there, it looks like. Tissue. Look at that. This is Sunshine Mint Buffalo round. High relief. That looks fantastic. I got the validation mint mark there. That's a really nice looking coin. But yeah, so if you get 20, it comes in a roll, so I got 20. And then on top of it, you get like, it goes down in price a little bit at APMEX if you buy over 19, so anyway. That's beautiful. Just look at this one more time here. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video. I ordered some more stuff, so I should have another unboxing in a couple days. Alright, have a good one, everybody. Keep stacking.